Second half, but the team changed something that the team at this speed.
Bravo, Kostas. I mean, nothing happened. We played like the game plan we had. We executed well. Defensively, we were really fighting and getting rebounds. And you know, obviously, we're shooting the ball better than yesterday. So I'm glad we won because at least we showed everybody that we can play good basketball.
I know you are a veteran player in your team. How do you show your younger guys about your leadership?
Well, you know, as a veteran, you have to do more than just play. Obviously, you try to talk to the guys, and especially younger guys, try to keep them focused and help everybody on and off the court. So it's a little bit more work, but I enjoy it.
I know we are from China. I know you are the old teammates of Yao Ming. So we will consider about in the future you play in China, in Shanghai.
Is Yao Ming on the team there? Is he owner?
Yeah. He's owner.
Yeah, tell him to call me, man. I'll go and play. No, I don't know. I didn't talk to Yao in a long time, so I would definitely like to get back in touch with him. And if you have a chance to talk to him, please tell him I said hello.
Okay,
yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate
thank
it.
you.